Welcome to SIM-PAC Live. I'm your host, Jeff Matthews. The SIM-PAC Live Sustainability Awards are awarded across 23 categories, covering the full supply chains of just about everything we consume, use and produce. The awards highlight the incredible efforts underway to pave the way towards net zero emissions, a circular economy and sustainable industrial manufacturing. This category, Battery Industry Development and Deployment, recognises the most outstanding contribution to the development and deployment of batteries. The winner of this category, and who got to take home the trophy on the night, is 1414 Degrees for its SiBox thermal energy storage system. The judges recognised 1414 Degrees for delivering a storage technology that enables electrification in industrial processes that currently have no viable non-fossil fuel alternative, and for demonstrating both technical readiness and a credible pathway to wide adoption in hard-to-abate sectors. SiBox stores renewable electricity in high-temperature silicon-based modules and delivers clean heat between 200 and 1,000 degrees Celsius. This allows renewable energy to be used in furnaces, boilers and industrial processes that cannot be served effectively by conventional batteries. SiBox is designed to complement batteries by providing hours to days of dispatchable industrial-grade energy storage, supporting both grid stability and industrial decarbonisation. A 1 megawatt hour SiBox unit has been commissioned under the development agreement with Woodside, demonstrating repeatable operation at high temperatures. This project has received federal support through a $2.2 million Modern Manufacturing Initiative grant supporting its scale up towards large-scale industrial deployment. This category win was one of several strong performances by 1414 Degrees across the awards, contributing to the company also being named the Supreme Award winner for the 2025 SIM-PAC Live Sustainability Awards. We congratulate 1414 Degrees on winning the Battery Industry Development and Deployment Award